example number 2. Now again, in this example, if you read carefully, okay, there are actually 3 variables. Okay, if the farmer wishes to use only 450 meter of fencing, right, to create 6 equal size rectangular of this dimension x, 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 y, and y, all these are included. Okay, he want to use 540 meter. And here, right, if you take note, there's an A here. A is the area. So what are the 3 variables that are interconnected? Okay, there are 3 variables. If you change x, you will change y, and you change x and y, you will actually change A. Okay, now, so have a good understanding of this question first. That's why we need to do part 1. Okay, we need to find what is y in terms of x. Because in part 2, to get the area, they want you the area in terms of x only. There's no y. Okay, and where is the clue? The clue is here. Okay, this is a fixed value of the length of the fence. In other words, if I were to design my rectangular plots in this manner, I have to use 1, 2, 3, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9x. Am I right? 9x. And I have to do 1y, 2y, 3y, 4y, 5, 6, 7, 8y. Can I write better? Okay, this is 8y. Okay, I will have 540. Okay, so I can actually make y the subject, and I'll get y to be 540 minus 9x over 8. Now, for part 2, right, I need to show that the area. Okay, the area, right, in terms of the variable x and y, will be 3x times 2y. And I'm going to get 6xy. But they do not want me, they want part 2 to be in terms of x, a to be in terms of x. So you have to make use of the earlier part. Okay, I'm going to substitute my y here. This is very similar to like your E-math problem sum, okay, in quadratic equation. Okay, I'm going to get this. Okay, I'm going to know that 6 and 8, right, I can cancel off. I'm going to get 3/4 x. Okay, and then 540 minus 9x, I can take out 9. I will have 60 here minus x, and I get there 9 times 3, 27. Okay, oh sorry, okay, 27 over 4, 27x over 4, and then times 60 minus x. Okay, I have to use this, and then I bring the x into the brackets. I will have 60x minus x squared, and I've shown. Oh, okay. Can I do, can you look at the working again? Now, after that, right, after we show that A is this, right, in part 3, right, if you look carefully, they want to find the value of x for which A is stationary. Okay, when A is stationary, usually I write down, right, when A is stationary, we know that dA dx will be equals to 0. We know this first. Okay, write this. So we need to find dA dx, and we need to set dA dx to 0 to find the stationary variable of x. Okay, d dx. You know, this is just a factor, so I can take out. There's no necessity for me. Okay, so I have to differentiate this. Okay, I will have 60 minus 2x. And when I set dA dx to 0, so 27 over 4, 60 minus 2x equals to 0. I will have 60 minus 2x equals to 0. 2x equal to 60. X must be 30. Now I need to show that this is not the end of this. Okay, I need to show that this value of x makes a the maximum. Okay, again I have two options. I can either use the first derivative test or the second derivative test. And to choose which one is the more efficient, okay, I look at dA dx function again. This is a very easy function to actually differentiate. So again, I choose the second derivative test. Okay, dx squared. Of course, this is just a factor. Okay, so I know that this is 27 over 4. Okay, and this will be minus 2x. Again, I use x equals to 30. So 27 over 4 times minus 2 times 30. Now this value will definitely be less than 0. So I know that the A is maximized. Okay, when x is equals to 30. Now again, that's not the end, because they ask you to find the, if you look at the question, find the maximum area. Now to find the maximum area, right, we don't have to look very far because the formula is there. No, we know that this is all A. Am I right? So this is the formula that I need to use. Okay, so A will be equals to 27 over 4. Okay, 60 times 30, maybe I use a bigger bracket, minus 30 square. Okay, use a calculator and you should be able to get this value. Now this is the value of A. I need a unit attached to this. Okay, I look at the question, it's in meter, so this must be in meter square. Okay, that's the end for example 2.